I often make roti bread instead of naan because it's way easier. No need for yeast, and just a few ingredients do the trick. This awesome Indian flatbread is soft, but gets a bit crispy too,
Yum.
making it an ideal companion for curry or simply enjoyed with butter or ghee. Here is a super simple, step by step roti bread recipe my friend Nadee sent me.
To make this easy roti bread, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour to a mixing bowl and then add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the flour. Start mixing the ingredients with your hands. While mixing, slowly add about 3/4 cup of water. Keep adding the water a little at a time. Keep mixing until the dough feels firm and dry. Knead the dough for a few more minutes and then shape the dough into a ball. Cover the bowl with a plate and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Next, divide the dough into 5 equal-sized portions and roll each one between your hands to form small balls. Sprinkle some flour on your countertop to prevent the dough from sticking. Then, take a piece of dough and flatten it slightly with your fingers. Using a rolling pin, carefully roll it out, applying even pressure to form a thin, uniform disc. Flip the dough as needed to ensure it shapes into a perfect circle about as thin as a quarter coin. Heat up a dry pan over high heat until it is very hot. Place the flattened dough in the pan and you will see it start to bubble in about 30 to 50 seconds. Flip it over once the bottom has light brown spots. Be careful not to overcook it. Then, take the pan off the heat and turn the flame to its highest setting. Place the roti directly on the open flame until it puffs up and gets that authentic charred and smoky flavor and look. Watch the roti closely and remove it right away to avoid burning.
If you liked this easy roti recipe, then check out also how to make golden and crunchy roast pan recipe here. Check it out now.